Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as you have seen the thumbnail, this is a very important session. There are so many questions which I am going to address in this particular video, and especially one question which I am repeatedly getting is this: how many questions will come from your test series? In French, in this particular question, I have answered in this way that you might have seen my that 100% I guarantee. In that video, I have repeated that, and I am repeating this in this video also, that if you will take the test series, that is 41 high quality MCQs. By the way, yesterday we calculated how many errors we are giving in the test set. In 41 set, we have given somewhere around 15, you can say, wrong questions. And if you will compare that with some of the test series available in the market, they are giving somewhere around 6 to 7 questions wrong per set. Our percentage of errors is around 0.365. So you people are paying for the error free test series. That is point number one. Point number two is when you will practice, because I am actively involved in the test series and helping you to learn and how to do it. So it is going to be very beneficial, because I am putting the research based material in the test series group, in the course group. So it is going to be helpful. Point number two. And point number three is you have to be doing the short informative playlist which I have made, some around 140 odd videos, 15 second videos, and this videos I am giving an answer and asking a question, and some sincere people have given the answer, and I have liked the correct one. So this is plus this, if you will combine with the community post, I am putting high quality MCQ, because I am having material to make more sets, but I am unable to make due to lack of time. So what I am doing is I am directly making informative video or community post. If you will combine, and plus the materials which I am putting in the course, if you will combine all these four, then you will get somewhere around 65 to 75 questions directly or indirectly related to our master key set and total whole course. So this is the query which many of the people are emailing me and messaging me through WhatsApp and calling me. So this was this thing. Then second one is those people who have appeared in 2019 main examination, what they have to do. See, there are so many queries about do a prediction on that. Friends, I want to tell you that you keep on preparing, and as if you have not cleared the 2019 test. Anyway, you will definitely prepare. You will definitely prepare for this particular 392 vacancy 2020 OS. So I want to tell all of you, all those people who have appeared 2019 mains, you have to prepare as if you are not clear 2019. So you have to keep the tempo up and keep on preparing till 27 August. In between, if the OPSC outs the result, means declares the result, it will be definitely helpful. And I am totally sure, even if they conduct especially this particular you can say the personality test they may conduct before the prelim or after the prelim. So that is the point. So you have to be doing this continuously, this particular exercise of preparing for prelim examination 2020, which is going to be held on 27 August. So this is a very important for all those who have appeared 2019 main. So this was all about this. And our new YouTube subscribers, we are providing very high quality test series, 41 high quality sets at 599 rupees. If you have not taken any admission in any of the test series, do join our high quality test series. and all those people who are appearing for ASO, this test series which we are providing can be helpful both for OS as well as GK portion, especially GK portion of ASO. So it can be beneficial for both the examination. You can take it. So today we will be doing master key set number, test set number 28, and a very important discussion. If you want the test series, then do let me know in in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. My email address is there in the description as well as it is there in the about section too. Who has been named as the recipient of 2021 Karman Award, International Academy of Astronaut? International Academy of Astronaut. Is it A. Jayant Narlikar? Is it B. A.S. Kiran Kumar? Is it C. Kailas Vasudevu Sivan? Is it D. Satish Reddy? The answer here is C. Kailas Vasudevu Sivan. Kailas Vasudevu Sivan is the recipient of 2021 Karman Award. Remember, one Karman Award to Kailas Vasudevu Sivan 2020 by International Academy of Astronauts. Then, who has bagged the top publicist honor in the Global Humanitarian Award? Is it A. Pankaj Kulaseshtha? Is it B. Gopal Krishnan? Is it C. Sachin Awasthi? Is it D. Fatmir Sezdiu? The answer here is Sachin Awasthi. Sachin Awasthi has bagged this top publicist honor for Global Humanitarian Awards. Then, what is the branded name of Google Plus, which was launched recently? Is it A. Google Currents? Is it B. Google Tech? Is it C. Google Power? Is it D. Google Flows? The answer here is A. Google Currents. Google Currents is the you can say the brand name for Google Plus, which is launched recently. Then, which state's legal service authority and High Court organized India's first e-Lok Adalat? India's first e-Lok Adalat. Very important question. A. Tamil Nadu. Is it B. Goa? Is it C. Assam? Is it D. Chhattisgarh? The answer here is D. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh has launched this you can say the legal service authority of High Court and first e-Lok Adalat. From this e-Lok Adalat, I am giving you another question, that is who was appointed as the first Lokpal of India? Who was appointed the first Lokpal of India? This question was asked in 2019 prelim. Let me know in the comment section your answer in the comment section. Then, Asia's largest solar power project, Rewa Ultra Mega Power Project. Asia's largest, remember, Rewa Ultra Mega Power Project. In which state? Is it A. Gujarat? Is it B. Rajasthan? Is it C. Uttar Pradesh? Is it D. Madhya Pradesh? Rewa Ultra Mega Power Project, you might have read about this. It is in Madhya Pradesh. Name the state which launched Blueis to use space technology and AI. AI is artificial intelligence to monitor government lands. They have used this particular technology to monitor the government land. Is it A. Jharkhand? Is it B. Odisha? Is it C. Telangana? Is it D. Uttar Pradesh? The answer here is Odisha. Odisha government has launched this Blueis, you can say this space technology and artificial intelligence. Blueis, remember, to monitor the government land. Blueis technology by state government of Odisha. Then, what is India's rank based on cancer preparedness among Asia Pacific countries as per Economic Intelligence Unit? What is India's position? Is it A 8th? Is it B 2nd? Is it C 4th? Is it D 6th? The answer here is A 8th. 8th, India's position in Asia Pacific countries in Economic Intelligence Unit in the rank about cancer preparedness is 8th position. India's rank is 8th position. Remember, which two countries in Southeast Asia region have eliminated rubella and measles ahead of 2023 target as per WHO? Is it A, India and Indonesia? Is it B, Maldives and Sri Lanka? Is it C, Sri Lanka and North Korea? And is it D, Myanmar and Nepal? The answer here is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Maldives and Sri Lanka have eliminated rubella. Maldives and Sri Lanka, remember, both our Indian Ocean countries. That is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Both of them have eliminated rubella and measles ahead of 2023 target as per WHO, that is World Health Organization. Then, what is the name of the comet which was observed by NASA astronaut from International Space Station recently? Is it A, Hale-Bopp? Is it B, Neowise? Is it C, Borrelly? Or is it D, Halley's? The answer here is B, Neowise. Neowise is the name of the comet which was observed by NASA astronaut from International Space Station. Very important. Then name the country which is going to host the Global Climate Summit along with United Nations in December 12 to mark in 2020. It was marked the 5th anniversary of signing Paris Agreement. Means which country hosted this particular in 2020 December? Is it for the signing of 5 years from the Paris Agreement? Let me know in the comment section when Paris Agreement was signed. In which year Paris Agreement was signed? Is it A, Canada? Is it B, United Kingdom? Is it C, Australia? Is it D, India? The answer here is United Kingdom. United Kingdom hosted the 5 years of Paris Agreement. Remember, very important. Which state won UNIATF award? UNIATF award. Let me know in the comment section what is UNIATF award. For prevention and control of NCD 2020. Is it A, Haryana? Is it B, Odisha? Is it C, Kerala? Is it D, Karnataka? The answer here is Kerala. Kerala has won this particular UNIATF award for prevention and control of NCD 2020. What is NCD 2020? What is NCD? Let me know in the comment section. Then, which of the following won the Global Architecture Award? Which was of the following has won the Global Architecture Award? Is it A, Odisha's Krushi Bhavan? Is it B, Red Fort? Is it C, Taj Mahal? Is it D, none of this? The answer here is Odisha's Krishi Bhavan, which is there in Bhubaneswar. It has won the Global Architecture Award. Remember, Odisha's Krishi Bhavan has won the Global Architecture Award. Very important. Then, which state government launched Mukhyamantri Gramya Parivahan Achoni Yojana? Mukhyamantri Gramya Parivahan Achoni Yojana. Is it A, Sikkim? Is it B, Assam? Is it C, Karnataka? Is it D, Odisha? The answer here is Assam. The Assam government has made this Mukhyamantri Gramya Parivahan Achoni Yojana. Remember it? Very important. What is the name of hackathon which has planned by Indian Council of Agriculture Research? Indian Council of Agriculture Research. ICAR under National Agriculture Higher Education Project. National Agriculture Higher Education Project. Is it A. Krityagya? Is it B. Krit Ghan? Is it C. Krishi Seva? Or is it D. None of this? The answer here is A. Krityagya. Kritagya. Kritagya. Kritagya is this particular name of the hackathon. This is the hackathon which has been planned by Indian Council of Agriculture Research under National Agriculture or Higher Education Project. India has begun joint security patrol along the border of Kapilavastu. You know Kapilavastu. It's a very important place from the historical perspective. With which nation? Let me know in the comment section why Kapilavastu is famous. Is it A. Sri Lanka? Is it B. Bangladesh? Is it C. Nepal? Is it D. China? Kapilavastu. The answer here is Nepal. The Nepal is the answer. In Kapilavastu is there in Nepal. Railway planned to complete 100% electrification of its broad gauge route by which year? Railway has planned the 100% electrification by which year? Is it A. 2021? Is it B. 2022? Is it C. 2023? Is it D. 2025? 17. C. That is 2023. Railway has set the target of 2023 for complete electrification. Remember, very important. Who is the author of the book titled Voices of Dissent? Voices of Dissent written by which author? Is it A. Arundhati Roy? Is it B. Romila Thapar? Is it C. Kiran Desai? Is it D. None of this? Voices of Dissent written by Romila Thapar. Noted, you can say, a historian. She has written very high quality, you can say, historical research books. Then coming to the next question, which state government has approved Moksha Kalasa Yojana 2020? Moksha Kalasa Yojana 2020 is this particular scheme started by which state government? Is it A. Uttar Pradesh? Is it B. Rajasthan? Is it C. Haryana? Is it D. Karnataka? The answer here is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has started this Moksha Kalasa Yojana 2020. Then coming to the last question of today's discussion, which ministry has approved set up 10 plastic parks in the country? 10 plastic parks in the country. In the plastic park scheme, means which ministry started this plastic park scheme? Is it A. Ministry of Health? Is it B. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers? Is it C. Ministry of Transport? Or is it D. None of this? The answer here is Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Plastic is related to Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. So with this we completed Master Key set number 28. If you want to join, then do join without delay. I am repeating that to all my test series subscribers. Your target to complete all this 41 set is 5 August. Today is 31st July and you have to complete it anyhow by 5 August. From 6 August to 10 August is your first intensive revision. From 11 August to 15 August is your second intensive revision. And then after, from 16 August onwards, every day you have to be doing 20 sets revision till exam day. That is, till 26 you have to revise and 26 is your examination. And so this is very, very important. Do adhere to this particular deadline. This is very important. Thank you very much. Happy learning.